Hey team, I'm here with the Maxx 1000. I wanted to do a quick unboxing. I can't figure out why this box is so big, considering it's supposed to be the Maxx 1000. I kind of got my hopes up that it was going to be something bigger, that maybe they just upgraded me to something else, which even if they did, I would have had to send it back because it wouldn't have worked with my subwoofer. And you'll see why I say that here in a second. Okay, we get watermelon flavor. Nice. Here we go. It's the Maxx 1000. Yeah, 1000 watts at 14.4 volts, 1 ohm stable. And owner's manual. Got the cable for the remote. Still surprised how big these boxes are. There's the remote knob for the gain. Yeah, I actually prefer this form factor over the one that comes in the JP23 and the JP33 because that thing is so bulky and big. But I know that I'm in the minority in that. I realize that you guys like the other one, at least the majority. The majority of you like the other one. So here it is, Maxx 1000. Oh, that's funny. It says WhatsApp. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. WhatsApp, nice. What a trip. Man, looks good. I like that's got the built-in fan. And here it is compared to the size of my hand. From the top of my middle finger to the bottom of my hand is around 8 inches. So yeah, this thing's tiny. And for comparison's sake, this is the Sound Ordnance M350, which is much smaller. But it's replacing, I'm upgrading to the Maxx 1000. So this kind of gives you an idea.